So if you're thinking about opening a Truist Bank checking account, here's exactly how you can do it online and what to expect along the way. So simply start by heading over to the Truist Bank website. Then simply navigate to the checking tab on the main menu. So this bank offers several checking options like the one checking, student checking, and confidence checking. So let's go with the one checking account since this is their main everyday account. So I'm going to click on this and it will then take us to the next page. From here, you will then have to select open an account. So you will then be asked if you're already a customer or not. So if you are, you can simply log in. So this just helps speed things up. If not, simply select I'm new to Truist. Or you can also select resume application. So next, you then have to fill in your personal information. That includes your full name, address, date of birth, and contact information. You also need to provide your social security number or taxpayer identification number, along with a valid form of ID, such as a driver's license or passport. And after that, the bank will then ask for your employment and income details. Then it will also let you fund your new account. You can also do this by transferring from another bank account, using a debit card, or making a deposit later on. So before you finalize, simply make sure to review their terms and account disclosures. So Truist is very clear about any potential fees, overdraft protection options, and how to avoid monthly maintenance fees. So once everything looks good, simply click submit and you then get a confirmation message that your account application has been received. In most cases, you also get an update via email within a few minutes or hours. This will let you know if your account is approved and ready to access online. And that's it. So your checking account will then be open and ready to use. You'll also be able to manage everything through the online banking or the mobile app. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you in the next one.